Guys, it was a glorious week, and you probably guessed it, it's because we finally got some rain. So when Tuesday rolled around, we had a little front that came through literally for about 3 minutes at 2 or 2:30 in the afternoon. And I was pretty discouraged when I saw that it had stopped raining after just a few minutes. And I didn't think there was any chance that we were going to get any more rain. But then around 6 in the evening, started thundering and we could see a storm on the horizon, and then the floodgates opened and we got over 1.5 inches of rain here at my house, and it's already made a huge difference. So let me just show you, for instance, this spot I've been showing you the last couple of weeks by the window that was getting torched by the window. And I know we have some pretty bad shadows here, but you can see just that one rain that we got, all this new grass that has sprouted up as a result of that. So pretty much it's been the same story around the entire yard, and it's amazing how much one good dose of rain, how much good that can do for your lawn. What's up, guys? I'm Rhett. Welcome back to Lawn Insider. So anyway, today it's supposed to be 108 naturally, and on the 10-day we have 100+ temps and no rain chances. But I'm not even worried about that right now. Right now I am rejoicing because we did finally get some rain on Tuesday, and oh my goodness, it was much needed and the lawn greatly appreciated it. So in today's video, I've already got the mower out, and I've already got the edger / trimmer out, the rotary scissors, and I am going to give the yard a touch up, and I'm just going to finally enjoy the mow and enjoy cutting some grass that's actually grown a little bit because it got a much needed dose of some H2O. Even the backyard, even though you can still see these spots that are still really dry, I still have cracks and they're still bleached, but they are noticeably better than they have been the last couple of weeks, just because we did get that rain. So I know that the good effects are going to be short-lived. It's not going to last forever, but I do appreciate the results that we're getting basically immediately. I mean, the next day you could already tell a huge difference across the entire lawn, and man, it was good to see. We hadn't seen it in darn near 3 months up to that point, so it was very welcome. So I'm going to go ahead and trim an edge first with the rotary scissors, and then I think I'm going to try to lay some diagonal stripes with the Greensmaster. I'm not sure how great you'll be able to see them today because it still hasn't grown a lot, but it has grown substantially more than it has been in between mows, and we'll see what the yard looks like after a good touch-up. All right, it is burning up out here. I just finished the edging and trimming, and now, like I mentioned, I'm going to try the diagonal stripes, and I'm gonna mow the pattern no matter what. I don't know if the stripes will show up, but hopefully they do, and I will show you all the finished product afterwards. Well, definitely enjoyed the mow more than I have been, but still not super enjoyable when it's like 108 degrees outside. But here is the front yard. Now I actually did a little scalping on the side because it actually really picked up in its growth. So it was a lot greener even. But here's the front lawn. Definitely marked improvement from what we've seen the last couple of weeks, even months for that matter. Here is the side. And I don't think I'll walk back to the back because y'all just saw me mowing the back, so you got a pretty good shot of that. But overall, I'm just thankful that we got some rain. Happy that I got that mow out of the way before we really got to the actual 108 degree temperatures. Right now, more realistically, it's probably like 98 degrees outside, which I know that's still very hot, but it does feel better than 108. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here, guys. I hope y'all got some rain last week. If not, I hope you get some rain here in the next week or so, because I know that everyone in Texas is needing it right now. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button underneath the video. If you're enjoying the content and want to continue to see more of it, hit that black subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I'll see y'all again soon. Lawn Insider out.